And then this was a property that needed a full renovation, a full cosmetic renovation. And the renovation that we put in was $100,000.
$100,000. So that doesn't sound like a lot of money for an eightplex. What did you do?
Yeah, let me tell you. So because of where this property is, it's like downtown of the city. It's not in a super high-end area. It's in a medium area. We did not put in granite countertops. We didn't put in new hardwood floors. We were very particular about the renovations that we were going to do. So all of the units had some original hardwood that we had buffed and restained, and they looked great when they were done. We put new floor in the kitchen and bath, new tile in the tub surround. We saved the tubs that we could, cleaned them up with tub paint, like enamel paint. And then we redid the kitchens. The kitchens were quite small, but we ripped them out and did new cabinets, countertop, sink. And then instead of getting brand new appliances, we got refurbished appliances that looked great. They were white, they were updated, but they weren't brand new stainless steel. So we were very choosy about the renovations we were going to do. And the reason for that is in that area, if you put in granite countertops and all these really high-end finishes, you're still going to be held down by the area. You're not going to be able to get the top rents. You're not going to be able to have it reappraised for the top dollar. So you have to know the area that you're working in and know kind of where the ceiling is and make sure that you're making renovation decisions that are still going to leave you a great room for profit.